So by virtue of that, that creates a vacancy that allows us to fulfill those roles, and that's exactly what has happened. Nothing more, nothing less besides that.
One last question from me, Aisha Ismail from ENCA. Just a few minutes ago, you took an oath to be loyal to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Are you still intending to amend the Constitution or to change the Constitution?
Let's deal with that. It's easy. A Constitution is there. It is binding upon all of us. It is the supreme law of the land. Indeed, laws or conduct inconsistent with the Constitution cannot withstand constitutional scrutiny. We intend acting within the law, and in the National Assembly we will act within the rules and practices here in the National Assembly, right? We are not hooligans. We are going to act within the law and fight for our cause.